Trap Dad's identity revelation is no longer a what if, it's a when. Will his anime dream survive, or will his cover be blown wide open? Find out next time.
All right, great. So we basically have, 4 segments here: a video, background voices, images. So now all we have to do is download this. I'm going to download this as a wide best in terms of overall quality. Vertical, you can do that as well, but watch what the subtitles do. I'd recommend removing the subtitles on a vertical video and just adding those with your upload to like YouTube there. So we can go ahead and download this. Give this just a minute. So it's going to basically upload all these clips and create a video for us. You don't have to wait for this to finish. For a 45-second video, it's probably going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, but don't worry, you'll get an email when the video is ready and a link that you can download it, and from there you can upload it directly to YouTube, and I'll be back in just a few minutes to get that part done. But we already have our whole rest of our video package here. So once that video is done downloading, we have a title. We can choose what title that we want to use here. We're going to have our video description, our keywords that we can just simply copy into YouTube. We already have our thumbnail, but if we wanted to create our own, we have what the concept should look like, and the script just as reference, and the voice segments here as well. So now this is rendering the cloud. It says it takes 10 to 15 minutes. It could for a 3 to 4 minute video if you have a lot of clips or you're on a slower computer, but this should be fine. So I'll be back in just a minute to show you the completed downloaded video and how we can really just upload it directly to YouTube here. And simply download.
In the digital shadows, a legend thrives. Trap Dad, the anonymous anime expert. But his secret YouTube empire? It's crumbling, one subscriber at a time. Latest, his own daughter. For years, he's hustled, analyzing every isekai plot twist and cyberpunk aesthetic. His channel, a masterclass in hidden identity, built on pure passion and late-night edits, has exploded in 2026. A true fictional persona success story. But the grind is about to get real. Then a casual comment, a shared video, the unmistakable avatar staring.
All right, great. So you get and then once again, you can just simply, save this video. We have, let's go ahead and see what we want to save it as. We have our video full production brief that we did here already. It gives us an optimized file name. Let's just copy that. And then when we save video as, we're just gonna save it as that there. Save, and we're done. Now let's go ahead and upload this to YouTube here. I'm gonna go ahead and we have our video we just did. I'm gonna upload that. Let's look at our titles here. See what title to choose. My daughter discovered my secret anime channel, Trap Dad Confession. That one would be good. Trap Dad's Anime Empire, when my daughter exposed my YouTube hustle. And all these would be great. Let's go ahead and once again, we can try all 3 of them with YouTube. You can do some title testing, but I'm just going to use this one here. And let's go back to our channel upload. I'm going to go ahead and just paste that in there. Let's I have some my pre-filled description, but let's go ahead and go to the description we have. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here. So we have our description, and then let's go to our thumbnail. We already downloaded our thumbnail as well. So let's go ahead and put that as our thumbnail. I have this as a playlist that I set up, and let's go ahead and just get some of this our tags here. We can get our tags done. So let's copy all these keywords. You can put them here. Copy these ones. Put them there as well. This is entertainment. So literally we have this here. It probably took about 20-25 minutes total from creating the video to actually getting it on to YouTube here. We want to be sure to add some end screens and cards to save you guys time. I'll do that here later on. But let's go ahead and publish. All right. Check it out. Come here to YouTube Creator AI. You can start with your video topic, work your way down to scripting. You can do voiceover. You're going to get your packaging and all your titles, your descriptions. You can do some other little marketing tips, some community posts, some ideas to expand this. Test your titles here, and I should have definitely done some of those, but for time here I wanted to show you that. You're going to have your final production brief that you have to kind of click down, and you can export just what you want. And then we have the video editor where you're just going to add your voice clips that you downloaded. You can generate media here, and you can definitely also add your own voice clips, your own background music and things as well. But this tool all works together. Export your video, give it about 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll be ready to go. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Currently it's totally free to run a video. You should sign up for a free trial so you don't run out of any generations before you get to this part here. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Have a wonderful day.